Hello all, we are doing the topic factorization of polynomials. Earlier classes we have studied the remainder and the factor theorem. We are working on the applications. In today's part we shall see, using the two theorems mentioned, how to find the two missing variable. Earlier class we have studied how to find one variable if missing. So let's see with this example. Determine the values of a and b if x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2, and when this polynomial is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is minus 12. Is the question clear? So here our polynomial is 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2. Two variables are missing here and two conditions are mentioned here. So first condition is what? X plus 1 is a factor. Since x plus 1 is a factor, you know by factor theorem the remainder shall be 0. And by the remainder theorem, what will be the remainder here in this case? Remainder will be f of, what is the factor? X plus 1. So x would be replaced by what? Minus 1. You know the reason behind that. So f of minus 1 is our remainder, and factor theorem tells that it will be equal to 0. So work out with this. Find what is f of minus 1. You know you need to replace x by minus 1 over there. Minus 1 cube plus a minus 1 square plus b, x is what? Minus 1 minus 2 and is equal to 0. Work here. Minus 1's cube is minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus minus 1 square plus 1. So a, b into minus 1 minus b minus 2 equals 0. That gives you a minus b. Now see this part, minus 2 minus 2, what it will be? Minus 4. And when you transpose it on the other side, 0 minus 4 will become plus 4, 0 plus 4. So this is our equation 1. A minus b is equal to 4. Now look at the second condition. What is the second condition telling? When this polynomial is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is minus 12. So what is the first obvious part over here? X plus 2 is a divisor, it's not a factor, and when it is divided, the remainder is minus 12. So see, the wording should be very clear. I am talking here, it is a divisor, it's not a factor, because the remainder is not 0. That same connection should be clear to you. Divisor is x plus 2. And in that case, remainder here is minus 12. Again, we shall use our remainder theorem. By remainder theorem, what will be the remainder here? X plus 2, you would equate equal to 0. So x will be replaced by minus 2. So by remainder theorem, our remainder is f of minus 2, which according to the question is minus 12. I hope this step is clear to you all. Now what you have to do is just replace x by minus 2. That is finding the value of this polynomial when x is minus 2. So 2, x is minus 2 cube plus a minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 make it equal to minus 12 without fail. It's an equation now. Minus 2 cube minus 8, 2's are minus 16. Minus 2 square plus 4 into a plus 4a. b into 2 minus 2 minus 2b minus 2 is equal to minus 12. Minus 16 minus 2 minus 18 plus 4a minus 2b equals minus 12. You have 4a minus 2b is equal to, you already have here minus 12. Minus 18 goes that side, what it will become? Plus 18. So, plus 18 minus 12. What will be the answer? Plus 6. Second equation. And you can see that you can simplify it throughout. If you divide by 2, you will get a simpler equation. So, I'll divide both the sides of the equation or each part of this equation by 2. I get another equation, that is 2a minus b is equal to 3. I shall name it as equation 2. So now you must have understood that we have obtained two simultaneous equations in the variable a and b, and working with these two equations we shall get the value of a and b, first part. Also in standard 9th you have learned how to solve simultaneous linear equation. So I hope you will find it very easy. Observe that we know many methods, but most of the time we use elimination method. That is quite handy, and here though definitely will work with that. Observe the equation a minus b, 2a minus b. So here b's coefficients are equal, so we can eliminate b from here. So for that what we'll have to do, both are having negative sign, so we shall subtract, say equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1 anyway. I shall go in a sequence and I'll work on equation 1 minus equation 2. Right? So I'll write equation 1 first. A minus b equals 4. Second equation, 2a minus b is equal to 3. As I am subtracting, so I need to change the sign. No sign means you assume it as plus. So positive will become negative, negative becomes positive, no sign again, so negative, and now subtract. This is subtraction of polynomial. You may remember the expression to be subtracted, we change its signs. This is the reason. So a minus 2a, what's the answer? Minus a. Minus b plus b gets cancelled. 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. Minus a equals 1, therefore you get a equals minus 1. This is how you have found the value of a here. Now substituting the value of a, say in equation 1, if you substitute you can find the value of b also. So put a equals minus 1 in equation, what is the equation? A minus b is equal to 4. So a is minus 1 minus b equals 4. Therefore minus b equals 4 minus 1 becomes plus 1, that is 5. So you get minus b equals 5. Therefore you can write b equals minus 5. This is how we have found both the missing variable. What did we find? A is minus 1 and b is minus 5. Okay. Let us see one more example. X square plus x minus 2 is a factor of 3x cube minus x square plus ax plus b. So the question is little twisted, but I hope you won't get confused. X square plus x minus 2. See, f of x is given. We have written that. Now x square plus x minus 2 is a factor. So you may be puzzled. What you have to do is, this is a quadratic expression. And in order to use the factor, remainder theorem, etc., you can get it further factorized. So what's the step needed here? Additional step you need to understand that you need to factorize this first. Obviously, if this expression is a factor, factors factor will be definitely the factors of the given expression. Did you understand? So first let's see how to factorize x square plus x minus 2. Some of you may be able to do it directly, but I would like to revise it. Coefficient of x square 1, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. So your product is minus 2. And product is negative, so what are we finding here? Difference. You might remember I have taught you in that manner. So what's the difference here? Plus 1. So two numbers whose product is minus 2 and the difference is 1 are definitely 2 and minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So further what I will do, x square plus x will be written as 2x minus x is x minus 2. So what's common here? X common, x plus 2. Minus x minus 2, what's common here? Minus 1. So what left here is x plus 2. So the factors are x plus 2 and x minus 1. So in short, your question is telling you that x plus 2 and x minus 1 are both factors of given polynomial, right? So in first case, when you take factor 1 is x plus 2. In that case, using factor theorem, it's mentioned a factor here. So remainder will be what? 0. And what will be the remainder according to us? F of x plus 2. So what it will be? Value of the polynomial when x is minus 2. And what shall be this value? Is equal to 0. So replace x by minus 2 in order to find the value of this polynomial. At x equal to minus 2, you have 3 minus 2's cube minus 2 square plus a into minus 2 plus b, which is equal to 0. Minus 8 3s are minus 24. Minus 2 square is plus 4, but this negative sign will make it minus 4. A into minus 2, minus 2a plus b equals 0. Minus 24 minus 4 minus 28. Taken to that side, what left here is minus 2a plus b. Minus 28 will become plus 28, and thus we have got our equation 1. Second case, what is the second factor? Second factor is x minus 1. So again remainder is 0. What's the remainder here? Value of x at should be 1 is equal to 0. So 3 1's cube minus 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equals 0. So this is 3 minus 1 plus a plus b is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 2, a plus b plus 2 taken that side, what it is? Minus 2. This is same. Equation 2. Equation 1 minus 2a plus b is 28. Equation 2 a plus b is equal to minus 2. So elimination of b is again easier. So what shall I do? Equation 1 minus equation 2. That is minus 2a plus b equals 28. A plus b equals minus 2. We are subtracting. Don't forget, change the signs. Minus becomes plus. Subtract. Minus 2a minus a. Minus 3. Plus minus b gets cancelled. Equal to 28 plus 2. That's what? 30. So a is equal to 30 divided by minus 3. A is equal to what? Minus 10. You have got a is equal to minus 10. Now substitute the value of a equals minus 10 in the equation 1. So 2 you can use. 2 is more easier. A plus b equals minus 2. A is minus 10 plus b is equal to minus 2. Therefore, b is equal to minus 2 plus 10. b is equal to 8. So, what's your answer? A is equal to minus 10 and b is equal to 8. Okay. Practice many more sums of this pattern. Important pattern is. Okay. Keep doing. Thank you.